Why is he controlling us? By manipulating our thoughts and feelings? Or should I be scared of him? Well, mga classmates, definitions of words are always important. Mga classmates, a hardened heart is not something that happens overnight. Like you sleep now, tomorrow you will have a hardened heart. It is the result of repeated rejection of truth, ignoring God's conviction, and choosing sin over righteousness. When a person resists God's call over and over and over and over again, there comes a point where God allows them to go their own way. He does not force anyone to love Him or obey Him. But when people repeatedly turn away, their hearts become calloused. Not because God made them that way, but because they or you choose to ignore Him. Mga classmates, if you feel God is convicting your heart about something, don't ignore it. Don't say no. A hardened heart doesn't happen instantly. It happens little by little every time we push away the truth. The good news is, mga classmates, a hardened heart can be softened again if you turn back to God. He is always ready to forgive, restore, and give you a new heart. Transform you. However, don't make this a license to keep on sinning, mga classmates, because struggling in sin is totally different in choosing in living in sin. Mga classmates, the most dangerous place is not in sin, but when sin no longer bothers you.